Only 35 minutes out of US border, this home provides easy access to the Via Rápida highway. And guess what? It's just one street away from the renowned artist quarter of Rosarito. And if you're a fan of surfing, you are in luck. The famous K38, a renowned surfing spot, is just a short 10-minute drive away. So grab your board and catch those waves. Hello everybody, this is Gerardo Oceguera with Baja 123
and Oscar Mendez from Baja 123. Today we want to show you this new listing and a new development here in Meralta Residencial and Rosarito Beach.
So please follow us so we can show you this beautiful house. This two-story gem comes with a rooftop terrace that offers breathtaking ocean views. As you step inside, you will be greeted by the spacious living room and dining room area. The glass sliding doors open up to an enclosed grassy backyard, providing serene and private space. And don't worry about the temperature. The living room is equipped with a mini split combination air conditioning and heating unit. Moving into the first floor, you will find a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances. It boasts a large granite top service island, perfect for your food preparation needs. And let's not forget the convenience of having microwave and gas stove. Additionally, a half bathroom is located at this floor. Heading upstairs to the second floor, you will discover the 3 full bedrooms. The master bedroom is a true oasis, complete with a full equipped bedroom, large closet, a mini split unit, and a small balcony that overlooks the backyard. There is also a second full bathroom conveniently situated in the hallway. The second and third bedrooms are equally inviting, each featuring comfortable queen-size bed, built-in wooden closets, and windows that provide lovely view of the backyard. But wait, there is more. The icing on the cake is the rooftop terrace. Imagine yourself relaxing with your family and friends, enjoying stunning ocean views. It's the perfect spot to unwind and create unforgettable memories. And let's not forget about the location. This amazing property located in a Meralta residential community, offering 24-hour security, situated in a cul-de-sac. You will enjoy peace and tranquility. In the world of the real estate in Rosarito, usually the condominiums are the ones that keeps the amenities. But in this new development, they does feature nice barbecue, green areas. The one pool that you are looking right here is only 4 houses away from your property, so you can really enjoy it. And if you had a family, you can really be really close by, and your kids or family can be enjoying this beautiful pool and barbecue area around us.
Just imagine right here in this area of the development, enjoying with your family, your friends, having a barbecue, having a party. You know, being so close to the unit is a very unique place. As we come in here, we come back a little bit more back, you will be able to see this barbecue area too. It's like a little area where you can have, you know, enjoy your food with your family. And it's a cover area too, so it's very spacious, very nice. So it's something really interesting about this place.
Only 35 minutes out of US border, this home provides easy access to the Via Rápida highway. And guess what? It's just one street away from the renowned artist quarter of Rosarito. And if you're a fan of surfing, you are in luck. The famous K38, a renowned surfing spot, is just a short 10-minute drive away. So grab your board and catch those waves. Looking for some retail therapy or a delicious meal? No worries. The Pavilion Mall is a mere 10 minutes north, offering a wide range of dining and shopping options. But that's not all. Drive 3 miles to the south and you will arrive to the famous Papas and Beer nightclub. Dance the night away and create unforgettable memories. And if you're a seafood lover, you won't want to miss Puerto Nuevo, also known as the Lobster Village. So don't miss out this incredible investment opportunity in Mexico. Whether you are looking for an Airbnb property and a small investment or relocate to Mexico, This unique home has it all. Live the dream, experience the beauty, and make memories that will last a lifetime.